Excellency, that you have done a lot of work in his ward and in every ward, which are school, everything. That is the only way you can serve humanity. Ikiana na kia bantu bago jorerete gusubano igotua jorete gabana atokorere gazi ikia kabere tayo tokobo umenge yo Excellency na inje muno musipiko kisi tigangireri bageri intebena egabana yeito nechirita cyose pikia gusi abande barinkos ukori in the assembly. We are demanding that their security must be granted for. Nto wancherana muna bantu bagusi ingachirita cheito nyaudona ngo itubare kubwatu bare. We are not here in Kisi kokoregas no woba usona ndo aminto. We are here as leaders tokorera bantu baitegas na ando ndo bwesi orengereti oro these leaders including the governor igo bachorire na abana inchi aba ayagenda ligia aba utukonya gutisa guchigari. We are getting tired. They tried to go to Kanye, Chipasari, but here they are today. Lakini rende, njenomo speaker tinda kitu kuana mange. I know today, igotore igase nje Chipasari, tokonya abana baito. Lakini akaotuane ngebunge tuwa ngocha. Asengenjo. Gaba nanje tabantu baito. Epiri nera renta igari. Ya Nyagitari. Tome kisuani Nyagitari eriye ito ya soiro korega asienjireta keire. Because without any tiabanto baito, there will be no production, there will not be productive abantu aminto. So rende kinko chikorangeri gavana abantu baito nganchere at this point in the gavana lakini gago jatara kwa na about Chipasari ara turaisa asa inwe period ya bana inchi baro chogosono erinde moko na Nyagitari ya rumerwaji gosono ekina kiyo ndo tayo kola na ande di bagete angira ba musia bos pimbi yamono asoko wale sika banegasi onde tayo ko batisa nje muna speaker kinde igari kingwancherana. I will give my orders taribo higo ngarao Your Excellency piangri bageri with the unity ko rangeri gaiga oje Your Excellency osa inige nteke igawe iga erindo gendra ko rengitewi simbane